In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eToro AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access the built-in assistant, where to find it, and how to ask questions that get clear, useful answers. First, open the eToro app on your phone or go to the eToro website in your browser. Give it a moment to load so everything is up to date. Being in your account helps the assistant provide context-aware responses, especially if you want explanations related to your portfolio. Next, look for the assistant entry point. On many versions of eToro, it appears as Tori, AI Assistant, or Help. You'll usually see it as a help icon, a chat bubble in a corner, or a link within the help or support area. On web, it may be near the bottom right of the screen or within the Help Center. On mobile, check the main menu or the Support tab. If you don't see it immediately, try using the search field for Tori or AI Assistant. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as naming and placement can vary by region and release. Once you've opened the assistant, type your question in plain language. You can ask general investing questions, request definitions, or get portfolio insights. For example, try "Should I buy Bitcoin?" The assistant can outline factors to consider, like volatility, trends, and risks. You can also ask, "What is SPX 500?" to get a straightforward explanation of the index and how it's commonly used. And if you want a personalized view of your holdings, ask, "Explain my portfolio risk," to get a breakdown of exposure, concentration, and potential drivers of risk. To get better answers, be specific. Add timeframes, tickers, or the angle you care about. For instance, specify whether you want a short-term overview or a long-term perspective, or ask for comparisons, like how one asset stacks up against another. Don't hesitate to follow up. You can ask the assistant to clarify terms, summarize in simpler language, or drill into a particular sector or position. Remember, the assistant provides educational information and analysis, not personal financial advice. Always verify important details, consider multiple sources, and make decisions that fit your own goals and risk tolerance. If a response seems too broad, refine your question with more context. If the assistant references charts or data, look for links or prompts that open the relevant pages in eToro for a deeper dive. And when you find an explanation you like, save it or note the key points so you can refer back later. That's it. Open eToro, find Tori or the AI assistant, and ask clear questions to get fast, helpful insights.